Yeah, we're out on the Morley Reserve, and we're just out installing these new sensors that just came out.
They got about 14 different sensors, devices in there that look for things like tilt on the pole, look for vibration. They sense whether or not there's power up on the pole. They sense whether or not there's any other issues going on. They've got solar.
Yeah, it's super simple, really. Like, you go up either in a bucket or you climb up, and the guys that come from the company, they scan the code and then send it up to us, and it's just 4 screws on the pole facing south, and it's pretty simple.
The goal is so that we get better visibility into what's happening, whether we have power or even if the power is out. We can tell whether or not a branch has fallen over onto the pole. We can tell if the pole's tilting. We can tell if there's been any issues so that we can get out there and fix it. Hopefully prevent any issues around wildfire in these sensitive areas. Yeah, we're really optimistic that they're going to give us better visibility into what's happening in our service territory. We've got such a diverse area all throughout the province, so anything that we can do to show us what's happening before it becomes a problem is really beneficial to all of our customers.